What's up, boys? Back again with another video. This is 2 days later from when we got the first start. So it is starter time. So as you guys saw last time, I messed up the starter somehow. I forget what it was exactly in there that I broke. Let me actually see if I can get this light in there, and then I'd be able to show y'all. Yeah, I think it's like that connector right over there that I broke somehow, but I gotta do that. I also have to do my new headlight intake. I'll show you guys that as well. After that, I know I have to shout at Xavier. I have to also adjust the speedometer because now that we got new gears in it, the ratios or whatever is different. So I'll show you guys how to do that. We might do that on the street, or we might do that on the dyno. And Garrett's here. Shout out Garrett. But yeah, let me get to work. I'll try to do everything I want. Oh, and I have to swap out my transmission fluid with the AC Delco that I got. So that's why car's on the lift and the bumper's off. Battery's already disconnected, so I'm gonna probably get to doing this, and then I'll do the transmission stuff after. I think we can still use this.
Yeah, so
it's still usable, right? Oh my god.
look at it snapped right there.
And then look at the part that Danny's holding.
Oh, perfect. We got a perfect viewing window.
Yeah.
No, legit. God,
yeah, so this piece.
You need like a vice grip, and then is it that tight?
I should be able to grab it with impact on, but. How long is this car?
This is a new one though. Fuck it, guys. Here's a new headlight. So I got this from Sosa Performance. Took like 6-7 weeks to come in.
Holy shit! Finally.
Yeah, and then this is the one from, what's his name again? Louis Serrano or some shit. So it doesn't come with anything, like no holes or nothing. So I think later when I'm done with the important stuff, I'm gonna take this bracket off, try to line that up down there, and take these off and drill holes in right over there.
Oh, he's slick, huh?
Yeah, always like that. What was that? Bring what?
Where's the starter?
Oh, it's right there.
The new one, cut.
It's a 13, and like I said, let me grab a 13. Oh
no.
God.
Check this out. This is what you can do, right?
What? Just swap?
Yeah, swap the nuts.
Yeah. Look at.
Oh, the thread pitch is still the same?
Yeah.
It fits in there though. Nice.
Life is good, guys.
What battery pack? Oz's?
That's
Damn
all right.
it.
Don't worry about it. Here you go.
Thanks, bro. Souvenir.
Thank you, sir.
That shit got smoked. This is OEM too, right? It was OEM?
Yeah, it looks OEM at least.
Let me see it.
Look at this shit. This shit is
Yeah,
black.
it is.
Yeah.
Oh, I like that one.
Yeah.
It's fucking
nice.
powder coated black. It's
On a Masuba.
There it is. Yeah, fucking someone thought that they were Denso in the group chat. I think it was, I forget who mentioned it. Oh yeah, just give them this. Okay, here's your core for my $10 back.
$10. I think the cords are like $40.
Nah, bro, for this one it's 10 because this one was cheaper. The one that was more expensive was 40. I did the math and
Is this shit even gonna start?
So you're gonna be doing this
Lifetime
again
warranty,
in a
bro.
week.
Yeah.
what brand is that one? Yeah, Duralast. This is the one that I got. Anyone cares?
Lifetime warranty, baby.
Fuck it, bro.
How many times in a lifetime can you do it?
Bro, hopefully not more than once.
Hopefully this is the last time we gotta open this shit up.
Fuck it. Alright, let me probably go under. Alright guys, so I haven't really been recording because I've been pretty busy, but this is a headlight duct. So I've already had to shave this tab off right here, and then I just drilled a hole in it there. I've shaved everything on the sides. I shaved this right there. So right now I pretty much have it about lined up. So basically all that I did was I just inserted that part of the bracket for the bumper, and then I'm by myself right now, so I'm kind of just trying to figure it out. So what I did first was I shaved all the outer edge right here, and I pretty much got this hole lined up right there, and then I put that on, and then I just pulled this up, made that hole right there. So now I think all I have to do now is try to put this clip from my old headlight, try to put it right there. Again, I'm probably gonna have to shave this down because this is definitely not, this C-clip is definitely not gonna fit right there as is. But I'm getting closer to what we need to do. I'm probably gonna go ahead, take these stickers off right there so I don't see it, and I'll probably take this harness somewhere else just so I don't see that through the duct, because my intake is right there, as y'all can see. But transmission fluid is in the car. Shout out to Danny, he installed the new starter. But yeah, car's almost back together. I'll show you guys in a bit. I'm covered with carbon fiber and fiberglass and shit, but gotta do what you gotta do. All right, guys, the duct is on. I don't know if y'all can see it back there, but what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the front bumper on, and I'm gonna show you guys how it looks right after. It looks pretty cool. It's pretty aggressive. No more headlight on that side, but I'll show you guys in a bit. All right, guys, so finally got it all lined up. So here is the Sosa Performance intake headlight on the car. Let me turn this light on. So honestly, it was a bitch to do. I had to shave a lot. It doesn't fit perfectly. You guys know carbon fiber cars don't really fit perfectly. The headlight isn't making the bumper sit flush, but I mean, I guess that's as good as I can get it. I did buff the bumper just a little bit. Let's see how long it takes for me to get pulled over with this. At least the intake's right there. But yeah, honestly, this didn't really fit perfectly, but it is what it is with carbon stuff. Has to do a lot of cutting and trimming. So starter's on, intake is on, or headlight duct is on. All the other carbon pieces and plastics as of right now on. Just gotta clean up a little bit. I do still have to, oh, and I swapped the transmission fluid. I do still have to adjust the speedometer. So I'm gonna ask Danny real quick how to do that, but that's how this looks. As y'all can see, but I'll move the car out now, and we'll continue with the speedometer tricks on Flash Pro so we can get that to read correctly with the new gear ratios. So we'll do that right now. Yeah, it's kind of annoying me, but it is what it is. You guys know carbon stuff doesn't always fit as it should or as it's intended to. So I guess that's something that we're gonna have to deal with. That new starter kicks up real quick. I still have to break in the transmission, but so far so good. Obviously I'm not gonna beat on it or anything of that sort. Let's see how it looks. I haven't looked yet from the outside with one headlight on. I mean, obviously it's gonna look like this, only one headlight on. I'm gonna see how bright it is. Hopefully if I put that on white, it'll be bright enough so I can actually see the road. But let me finish cleaning up inside the shop, and then we could mess with the Flash Pro. So bad news, I wasn't able to make the Flash Pro Honda whatever work on my laptop for some reason. I don't know why, but I'ma just wait till I tune the car on, when am I tuning it again? On Saturday to do the speed shit. And Danny said we can do it on the dyno, so I'ma just wait. All that we got done today was the headlight duct. I buffed the other fender in the headlight, and the front bumper a little bit, starter, transmission fluid, and some other little stuff. But car's doing good now. I just have to continue to break it in, and yeah, should be good. But quick update video. So thank you guys again for watching this one. ThatKidRBM. Peace out.